Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to do part 2 of our informational writing research piece. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our mind map again. We're going to use our organizational skills to organize the information we find out about our topic of the day. First, on our mind map, we're going to be writing our name. After we write our name, in the middle of our mind map, we write down what it is we are going to be researching about. We're researching about ladybugs. We found out that ladybugs are insects, that they are a type of small beetle, that they can be found all around the world, that they are born when they hatch from eggs, they can fly with 2 large wings, and that ladybugs are important in nature. Today, we're going to fill out the rest of our mind map. We're going to find out what ladybugs have and other facts. Let's go back to the book. So the purpose of our reading today is to really find out what ladybugs have and other fun facts. Let's go ahead and start reading. Ladybugs. Here again is a table of contents. If you want to find out about the different parts of a ladybug or a ladybug's life, go ahead and look at each page. On page 6, you can find out where they live. On page 8, you can find out the life cycle. Let's start reading. Meet the ladybug. Ladybugs are insects. They are a type of small beetle. Ladybugs can be found all around the world. All around the world, ladybugs live anywhere they can find food. Let's take what we just read and put it in our mind map. We just read that ladybugs live anywhere they can find food. I'm going to put that under other facts. Let's keep reading. Ladybugs are born when they hatch from eggs. When they hatch from eggs, ladybugs look like tiny alligators. I'm going to put that in my mind map as well. I'm also going to put that under other facts. Ladybugs look like tiny alligators when they are born. I think that's a really fun fact. Ladybugs have colorful bodies that are covered with spots. The spots are different for each kind of ladybug. Ooh, that is a have fact about ladybugs. Let's go back to our mind map. We just read that ladybugs have colorful bodies and that the different spots tell us what kind of ladybug it is. Ladybugs make a smell when they get scared. When they get scared, this smell keeps other animals away. That is another fun fact I can write in my mind map. We just read that ladybugs make a smell when they are scared and keeps animals away. Notice that I'm not writing this information down in complete sentences. These are just my notes. I will use complete sentences when I start my writing about ladybugs. Ladybugs can fly with their 2 large wings. They flap their 2 large wings 85 times per second. We just read that ladybugs have wings and that they can flap 85 times per second. Let's continue reading. Ladybugs spend the winter in large groups. In large groups, ladybugs sleep until spring. I think that is another important fact I should put in my mind map. Let's organize our thinking. We just read that ladybugs sleep in winter in large groups, and they sleep until spring. Ladybugs eat small insects. Eating small insects gives ladybugs everything they need to be healthy. That's also another important fact. We just read that ladybugs eat small insects that feed on plants. Ladybugs are important in nature. In nature, ladybugs eat insects that feed on plants. The end. Here are some more ladybug facts. We are now done using our research skills and organizational skills. filling out our mind map about ladybugs. Now you can do this with any animal that you want to write about. Remember, this is a page where all we do is take our notes. We're going to take our notes and write about our living organism later. Thank you so much for joining me today. You guys did a wonderful job helping me use my research skills and my organizational skills to do some research about ladybugs. Have a wonderful day.